Hi, this is Denise from Discount Diva. I'm going to do an unboxing on Pinch Me. Those of you that don't know about Pinch Me, it's an app. You go online, you fill out a profile, you review products. There's usually samples, so and you give your honest opinion. You do a profile, and on Tuesdays, I think it's every first Tuesday of the month. It's usually around 12 o'clock. They have products and sometimes they don't have enough, but they have enough for certain areas, and there's other ways to get better boxes. You do more surveys online. They send you emails about upcoming items sometimes that you qualify for, and you do that. And I've been doing it for a while, and I haven't done one for a while, so I got this box yesterday. That's what it looks like. Usually in the box they give you coupons sometimes. They give you some information about the product. So, let's do the first one. This one is Skippy Creamy, 7 grams of protein. This isn't bad, at least it's substantial. I'll just show you. They give you like the information. It's a squeeze snack pack. I guess you scan that. I don't know why you scan it though. Oh, I think it takes you to Walmart because I mentioned Walmart on here. So I'm going to try that and review that. The next product will be, I'm not sure if I'm going to pronounce this right, I don't know if it's Lumphify. It's redness reliever drops. You won't believe your eyes. I've used this product before. I got a free sample from the company before. It's pretty good. It helps get the red out and gives you some moisture in your eyes. And it says, try it and see for yourself. Reduce redness, wider, brighter looking eyes. I'm talking too slow, sorry. Works in 1 minute or less, up to 8 hours. It's pretty good. They're not paying me for this. This is something they just send me complimentary. The companies want you to try and give your honest opinion. So it's not like I'm getting sponsored or anything. Just that they give me this product to review. So that's what it looks like. And I'll show you. Comes in a box like this. Even online, if you're on Instagram, they advertise sending this for free. It comes in this little packet. It's like a one-time use thing, just to try it out. I've gotten this from the company before, but on Instagram they had an advertisement of it. This is pretty good. I know they sell them at the drugstore. I don't think that was a coupon. That was just information on the product. This one is Nexcare. I don't know if you can see it. They gave me a Band-Aid sample and a coupon for 75 cents. Yeah, I like their Band-Aids. It's pretty good. They gave me a sample of this. Boy, I gotta learn how to read right. Haribo. If I'm with a Bowl Bears, they give you a little sample of the candies. Those are good. And this is from Nature's Natural. It's honey mini raw unfiltered. Well, I'll give it a try on that. Maybe I'll put it in my tea. I think they gave me some information on it. Okay. Oh, it's called. Sorry about going over there. It says Nature's Honey Company. The most trusted honey company. I'll show you that. It says honest to goodness, condiment, quality, community, bee health. No, it says commitment to quality, community, bee health. Sorry about that mishap. Because every bottle is 100% pure, best tasted, raw, and unfiltered. And you can follow them on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Pinterest. So that's it. This, like I said, some kind of sample. I thought it was going to show you like a little bottle, but Gareth is not. Bare Minerals Skin Longevity Long Life Herb Serum. This is I hate when they do these things. Why can't they give you like a tiny trial size? You know, how are you supposed to try it out? Like, this is how it comes. I always wanted to try their product, but I didn't think it was going to be like this. Yeah, when you go on the website, they make you think you're going to... Don't get me wrong, I've gotten drinks from them. I've gotten hair color from them. Sometimes you get lucky. And I know that they say there's opportunity. I never got any of those big boxes. But this was a lot of products, so I got lucky on this one. But I've gotten hair color, and I thought that was great. There's a lot of survey companies that want you to review, and some are better than others. You know. So this is it with the haul, and let me know if you have any questions. I will gladly answer. So have a good evening. I'm going to try to post it up tonight. Bye.